Greetings viewers. If you subscribe now, you'll be able to watch our carefully crafted, thoroughly researched videos. At the conclusion of each video, I'll ask a question and you can respond in the comments section. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Today, we will discuss 11 practices that can have a negative influence on your brain's health. We will look at ways to break these detrimental habits to protect your mental well-being. 1. Lack of sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation can negatively affect the brain, causing problems with memory, attention, and mood. Studies have shown that lack of sleep can lead to shrinkage of the hippocampus, a region of the brain important for memory formation and recall. Furthermore, sleep deprivation can impair the ability to concentrate and make decisions, as well as negatively impact mood and emotional regulation. 2. Smoking. Smoking is harmful to the brain, as it reduces blood flow and oxygen to the brain, and can increase the risk of stroke and cognitive decline. Nicotine, the main active ingredient in cigarettes, is a highly addictive substance that can alter the brain's neural pathways, making it harder to quit. Smoking also increases the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Furthermore, smoking has been linked to poor cognitive function, poor memory, and reduced attention span. 3. Excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol in excess can damage brain cells and lead to problems with memory, cognitive function, and balance. Alcohol is a neurotoxin that can disrupt the communication between brain cells, impairing cognitive function and memory. Long-term heavy drinking can lead to chronic brain damage, known as alcohol-related brain damage, which can cause memory loss, difficulty with coordination and balance, and problems with decision-making and problem-solving. 4. Lack of physical exercise. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining brain health, as it increases blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new brain cells. Research has shown that regular exercise can improve cognitive function and memory, and reduce the risk of developing dementia and other age-related cognitive decline. 5. Poor diet. A diet high in processed and sugary foods can contribute to inflammation in the brain, leading to problems with memory, cognitive function, and mood. A diet high in processed and sugary foods can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, which can lead to inflammation in the brain. Additionally, a diet that lacks essential nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins, can also harm the brain. Studies have shown that a diet high in fruits and vegetables, as well as omega-3 rich foods, can improve cognitive function, mood, and reduce the risk of developing dementia. Chronic stress. Prolonged exposure to stress can damage the brain, leading to problems with memory, cognitive function, and mood. Stress can lead to the release of cortisol, a hormone that can cause inflammation in the brain and inhibit the growth of new brain cells. Stress can also lead to problems with memory, as it impairs the ability of the hippocampus to store new memories. Furthermore, chronic stress can lead to a greater risk of developing depression, which is linked to poor cognitive function and memory loss. Lack of social interaction. Social interaction is important for maintaining brain health, as it can stimulate the growth of new brain cells and improve cognitive function. Research has shown that social isolation can lead to cognitive decline, as it can cause a reduction in the size of certain brain regions, such as the hippocampus, which is important for memory. Furthermore, social interaction can improve mood, reduce stress, and can reduce the risk of developing depression, which is linked to poor cognitive function. Lack of social interaction. Social interaction is important for maintaining brain health, as it can stimulate the growth of new brain cells and improve cognitive function. Research has shown that social isolation can lead to cognitive decline, as it can cause a reduction in the size of certain brain regions, such as the hippocampus, which is important for memory. Furthermore, social interaction can improve mood, reduce stress, and can reduce the risk of developing depression, which is linked to poor cognitive function. 8. Chronic multitasking. Constant multitasking can damage the brain, making it difficult to focus, retain information, and learn new things. Research has shown that multitasking can lead to a decrease in overall productivity, as the brain cannot fully focus on multiple tasks at the same time. Additionally, multitasking can overload the brain, leading to an increase in cortisol, a hormone that is linked to stress and inflammation in the brain. Furthermore, chronic multitasking can lead to attention deficits and difficulty with cognitive flexibility, which is the ability to adapt to changing tasks or information. 9. Lack of mental stimulation. Keeping the brain active and engaged is essential for maintaining cognitive function, and lack of mental stimulation can lead to problems with memory and cognitive function. Research has shown that a lack of mental stimulation can lead to brain shrinkage and a decline in cognitive function, particularly in older adults. Furthermore, mental stimulation, such as reading, puzzles, and problem-solving, can promote the growth of new brain cells, which can lead to better cognitive function. 10. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for prolonged periods of time has been linked to reduced cognitive function and an increased risk of dementia. Sitting for extended periods of time can reduce blood flow to the brain and lead to a decrease in the number of brain cells, which can negatively impact cognitive function. Furthermore, sitting for long periods of time can lead to an increase in body fat, which is a risk factor for cognitive decline and dementia. 11. Exposure to environmental toxins. Exposure to environmental toxins, such as lead, pesticides, and pollution, can harm the brain and lead to problems with memory and cognitive function. These toxins can cause inflammation in the brain and lead to the death of brain cells, which can negatively impact cognitive function and memory. Furthermore, exposure to environmental toxins can lead to an increased risk of developing neurological disorders, such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. It's important to note that many of the habits listed above can interact and exacerbate one another. For example, a sedentary lifestyle can lead to poor diet, lack of physical exercise, and poor sleep, all of which can negatively impact brain health. To maintain healthy brain function, it's essential to avoid these habits and adopt healthy behaviors that promote brain health. What did you learn in this video? Please leave a comment below, and I will answer it. Also, let me know what topic you would like us to cover in the next video.